Staying out of conflicts or avoiding them altogether. No one really wants to be in a conflict or an argument or disagreement with someone else. Well, maybe not no one. I'm sure some people somewhere thrive on it. But you, me, majority, overwhelming majority of common people, we don't want to be in conflicts. We don't want to be in arguments. We want to work together. We want to collaborate. We want to move forward. We want to make progress. But at some point, you can't continue to avoid a conflict forever. Now, conflict may not be the right term, but you should still be professional, courteous, and polite, and demonstrate why something needs to be done, why progress needs to be made. But if at some point you see, and I've seen this in several different places, with several different folks who avoid conflict to a fault. However, if hundreds or thousands of people are waiting on something to get done because of one individual or two or three or five people, at some point someone needs to step up, step in, and say something and get it addressed and resolve that issue. No matter how uncomfortable it may be during that conversation, or how uneasy or unhappy that other individual or those individuals may feel afterwards, something needs to be said and something needs to be done for the benefit of everybody else. Progress must be made. Everybody's here to work together and help each other out so we can support our vision and our mission and move forward in that direction and provide value to those that we serve. And we can never allow one individual or small group of people to hijack that opportunity from the rest of us. So, avoid conflicts obviously when possible, but at some point someone needs to say something to move things forward and make progress. And if you believe that someone is you and you're in the right place where you have the authority and respect necessary to act in such matter, do it. Help everyone else. Make things better.